What is going on, everybody? My name is Justin Temple. I'm an instructor here at North American Training Solutions, and today I'm going to be covering the care and use of your foot ascender. Stay tuned. So for the most part, your foot ascender is a very simple piece of equipment. It consists of the cam and the cam housing, as well as some nylon webbing that is used to attach the foot ascender to your foot. While inspecting the cam, you want to make sure that the spring is strong. You also want to make sure that there's no cracks or bending inside of the housing, the cam housing, and you want to check your webbing for any cuts or abrasions or excessive wear. Very typical inspection points that go along with this valuable little piece of kit. So it's important to make sure that the straps on your foot ascender are oriented properly. You don't want the foot ascender to sit too low on the boot, and you also don't want it to sit too high above the ankle. So basically, if you were to push on the bone of your ankle, you want the foot ascender just below, kind of right here. So any adjustments that you can make to the foot ascender can be done usually in two different areas. You can adjust the bottom stirrup loop using the strap that tucks into the abrasion resistant coating. And then you can also move the horizontal nylon strap that's going to adjust the placement of the foot ascender backwards and forwards. Grab the stirrup loop of the nylon and slip it under the heel of your boot. It's good to have a boot that has a pronounced heel so that the foot ascender does not slip during use. Then grab the top strap, go over the laces of the boot and through the double ring buckle. You can then hold the ascender in place as you tighten down on the nylon strap. This will result in a secure fit of the ascender and proper placement on the inside of the boot.
When preparing to use the ascender, you first need to remove all slack from the climbing system. You will then grab the rope and place it into the cam of the ascender, going from the top of the ascender, pushing down into the cam. And with a straight body, you will then step onto the ascender. It's important to allow the rope to flow freely through the ascender. You can do this by a backwards kicking motion as opposed to trying to kick forwards. To remove the rope from the ascender, grab a loosened section of the rope that is above the ascender and flick the rope down. This will release the cam and free the rope from the cam housing of the ascender. The same process can also be achieved by using your foot to release the rope from the cam housing. It's important to note that not all foot ascenders are designed in the same way, and some have a locking mechanism that will prevent you from kicking the rope out of the ascender.
Well, that is all the time I've got for today, folks. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and subscribe. If you're interested in getting a personal training with you or your team, please reach out to NorthAmericanTrainingSolutions.com. Link to the website is down below. That is all the time we got, and we will see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.